first little chair. You're staying up. He wants to topple over, but he's not.
Why am I sitting? This is not a lap.
Now straighten up. There you go. Use your muscles. Hey, buddy. Are you having fun?
I almost fell, but I didn't.
Hey, that's exciting. Oh my. Oh my, little one.
I've almost fallen 14 times, but I haven't.
You want to crawl out of there? Do you want to touch your toes? What are these little piggies? What are these little piggies?
Get me off this ride. This is way too safe.
Hand him that toy. Oh, shoot, what did I do? Here, buddy. Here. Play with this. Do no
You
hands.
know, just sit and play with a toy too. Really?
There. Good job.
Are you 6?
Yummy.
Good job, buddy.
Beeps. Little baby. Uh-oh, pick it up. Pick it up.
What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? I'm gonna lose it. Someone help me out! Wow! Wow! Someone help me out! I can't reach it. Gonna fall over? No, I'm not. Oh!
No.
That's no fair.
Oh, Mama.
I almost fell again. But I didn't.
Here you go, buddy. Whoa. Oh, my. Oh.
I missed it. Do it again.
Is it scary or cool? Here you go.
Just put it in my mouth.
Buddy, you're stuck.
Then you couldn't get out if you wanted to. We're not even sure we can get you out. Not funny.
Or are you sitting directly sitting on it?
That would be uncomfortable. Especially since you can't get out.
Oh. Oh, buddy. Here. Here we go. Here. All right.
That's a good bite.
Mm-hmm.
I could just get 2 hands on this thing.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Come on, buddy.
There we
Good save.
go.
Good save.
Figure it out.
Come on. Good hands.
All
Oh, good hands. Good hands.
Oh my.
You can sit up and watch basketball tonight, Ben.